Okay, now we're fitting the, well, I'm going to try and fit the stainless trim the front goes on the front of the grill. I had to take it off to paint it. And I've got the new little clips, which apparently you just set it in place and push that middle piece in and it should stay there. So we'll see. Well, doesn't work quite as easy as they said it would. Okay, it turns out not quite as simple as push it in. Helps if you actually get there and break that bit of plastic like so, and you can start it back in the hole. Once you've got it started, then you can set it in place and just push the middle in. That part is fairly straightforward. Now, put the rest of those in there. $16 in all. Okay, so all the clips are in. Now we're going to try and put these this part back on. Now they're not perfect. They are. I had two grills. This is the best ones I managed to find, so I'm hoping it's going to fit on alright and not be too much of a pain. With a bit of luck, they'll just hook on, I hope. Well, that's the first quick. Yep, seems they're fairly straightforward. Put the bottom on and push up on the top. And up. Okay. There. There. And of course the last one's got to be a little harder. Right. There we go. All in place. Very nice. Okay, and put the bottom one on. Hopefully just as easy as the top. Put the top of it over the clip and push on the bottom. Top over the clip. Push on the bottom. Much the same as how those larger side trims went on the under the doors and the sills. And turns out they go on without too much trouble. Snap on fairly tightly. Mostly. one. And there we go. All very neat and tidy. So, yeah, very happy with that. As I said, they're not new, they're not perfect, but I'm not a millionaire either, so anyway, that's that bit done. We'll move on to another part.